Hey, what up, guys? Top of the morning. How you guys doing, man? It's your boy coming back with another video. Right now, guys, we're currently on our way. Like I said in previous videos, I mean, with the title, you guys probably already know what we're doing. Yeah, guys, we're on our way. We're gonna be doing the sunroof on the truck. I will show you guys, but it's dark. You can't really see it. I'll show you guys when they cuando amanezca. We're like an hour away from the spot. Guys already waiting for me, so yeah, guys, I'll show you guys the after and the before. It'll probably take like a day. For you guys it's gonna be like 1 second, but for me it's gonna be a couple hours, guys. So yeah, we're on our way. I'll pick it up whenever we get over there, guys. Guys, just here driving, thinking, I just love this truck, guys. There's just something about this truck that I don't know. I can get any truck or my other truck and it's a beast too, but just this one, it's just a whole different feeling. I don't know if you guys can understand. I'm pretty sure you guys do. Where if you guys have a car, or, you know, sentimental car or truck, it just I don't know, different feeling. All right, guys, they're working on it. Should be a couple hours. She's gonna look badass. Before. This is gonna be the before. Alright, guys, since we gotta wait for a couple hours, came to McDonald's, get some breakfast, and I guess we're just gonna wait here because it's hot. So yeah, provecho.
10 years later.
Alright, guys, walking back. I think the truck is ready. Finally, about time. For you guys, it's been like 2 seconds, 1 second. For me, it's been hours, guys. So about time, man. And this thing is hitting though. Damn, especially because it's hella hot. Por fin. Ahí vamos, guys. All right, guys, you guys ready? Look at this. Boom. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Fuck, que perro se ve, la neta. Sheesh. Look at that. God damn. Cómo lo ocupaba, la neta. Look at that. Oof, look at that. What's up, guys? I'm back. Back home. I just wanted to stop right here to finish up the video and show you guys. Since now I'm closer to my house, show you guys how it looks. Como quedó, güey. Look at that. Wow. Damn. Suede. Sheesh. But yeah, guys, hope you guys like how the truck is coming out. I'm almost done with this one. This is my main one. You guys already know that. One of those things that I wanted to do was the sunroof. era el sunroof que quería hacerle. Voy a agarrarle llantas más chicas enfrente porque la quiero tumbar unas 2 pulgadas más de enfrente. Ese va a ser el siguiente paso, más para adelante, porque pues no le afecte nada ahorita. Así está bien, está perfecta. Pero el sunroof, qué perra se ve, la neta. Mira nomás qué diferencia es esa madre, la neta. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like it as much as I do, because I really do like it. It looks a lot better, and it even looks a lot better in person, to be honest. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button for me, because I appreciate it a lot. Subscribe to your boy, suscríbanse al canal. Dejen comentarios qué les gusta, qué no les gusta, como les dije en el video anterior. Me ayudaría mucho. Si les gusta lo que les hago a las trocas, algo más que quieren que le haga, comenten ahí, se los agradecería. Pero bueno muchachos, nos vemos a la otra, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.